Oh, wow. Alright, it's a 2v1. Was that a purple? Oh, it's a purple red eye. I'm in IKEA right now, too.
That glare is terrible.
Oh my gosh, dude, hold it from like over here or something. Oh my gosh, I can't
No,
see,
you
bro.
can't. Look at the camera.
Oh yeah. Wait. I guess I don't.
Looking for something light and refreshing? Pick up our first
Over there.
People are gonna be like watching it. Someone's gonna watch this video on like YouTube or something, and they're gonna be like, "What the heck is with the weird music in the background?"
Good.
Side. And
I literally have aimbot, and that is my 16th, I believe. 16? Give me 16. 17th crown win. And I'm in IKEA.